Well, here we are after Christmas. Got the kept a couple of the train sets up, and got the Hess, whole Hess collections at the train shows. So, bouncing around here. The Lamborghini hauler, helicopter, the Porsche hauler, and the remote control helicopter. And then overall it's just sitting on the, well, I guess the kitchen table. So, we don't eat much around here anyway, we don't really need it. Doesn't kill the lights over there. And that's about it. And at night, we don't keep this all up all the time. I just put the trucks on the table just for looks. Alright, and I think my little satellite thing should be working here. Nope. Oh well. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.